Be gone, peasant. Be gone, peasant.
Alright, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set with bliss. You also know the story incomplete if minute up on the beat, as you can see on the screen. Yeah, one burn it down and kiss me, baby. I go on with a bag of things, you know, my people putting in the comment section what you think about that. Because they took to their social media account to let you know them not business when they think about them show. Yes, the royal couple of dancers said whoever who may have a problem with the video that was posted earlier on behalf of Sidem and myself kindly go on SYM and project your sadness and relationships trauma elsewhere. Thank you. Yes, put in the comment section where you think about that. Because you know one Bernard Dan, you know, he's a dancer, sex simple. You feel what I mean? And his life, you know, with his relationships with his wife, his fiance, his baby mothers have been, you know, under the scope of lately. Listen, as it was for the past 20 years. So, you know, now that he's free, he's able to address or no, for let him know what he thinks that. You know what I mean? Everyone is happy and blessed. But on this side, he doesn't know about phone side, but him no business, isn't it? Anyway, my peeps, let's proceed to the next trending topic, Mr. out of Jamaica. And it has to do with Foota Hype, yes, the viral king. A lot of his fans has been noticing that film side of him face, one side of him face can't move. You know what I mean? And they're attributing that to Vybz Kartel and strokes. You see, some people putting in the comment section where you think about that, because honestly, me never noticed, you know. And when me watch him video where me remember somebody left a comment on my page saying, what happened to Foota Hype mouth? Something wrong with him mouth. You see, and the person say, yeah, it looked like something really wrong with him mouth. The lip not moving while he's talking. Almost like it's numb or missing, you know, a tooth or something. And then I watch a video with him yesterday or 2 days ago, and I noticed half of his side couldn't move and one side of his face looked darker than the other. You see me say, and when things like that happen, you know say the S thing, right? But Bob said, you know, it looked like Bell's thing because him did have it, you know, 10, 20 years ago in our 20s. You know what I mean? And you know, some time ago, Foota in a back alien business, and I said things. You know what I mean? So me things that the thing them might reach back on him because him have too much people business on him mind. Listen, man, I say I not worry about himself, you feel me? So I'm just giving them update while I go on for that to go on, you see me? Okay, people, the next trending story, Mr. out of Jamaica have to do with Akim and Rosalie, cause you know people saying this is fake, right? But then the maga say what happened to Jake, Rosalie, man, because them say, you know, Rosalie I get tongue down and all of these things and I yam, you know, chicken foot and white rice and tomato and all of this stuff. You know what I mean? And lap up with man and all of these things, right? I don't know what the real big deal is. These people is making money selling the stories like Days of Our Life and One Life to Live and all of these general aspect of things. You see what I say? And the critics that are comfy are hard. You know what I mean? So let's hear what I go on for that to go on and proceed with the next.
Nobody so wicked that in my life. But I want wicked blood clot woman, you know. But it happened to me. It's for reach you, yes. Me no blame her. Me hear your class me last night. I'm going when me look at the comment, me hear one girl say, she class Rosalie, I see me say yeah for class me. Because when police come and expose you rub me out. You do a long old ceremony for me stinking blood clot. So I'm me wrong. I have to learn to take accountability. It's me wrong. Because I know you like bring down, so I know where you are. You understand? But I never know. I know where you be. Is a fucking liar. But it will reach me. I have to take accountability. I have to take it. Yeah, I have to take it. I'm gonna put myself with lawyer them so long and class me. And class I'm gonna pick them. Trying to subordinate them. When a person show you who them be from, they will never cut them from the neck. You say I'm stupid. Me have to take the blame. Cause me should have never to also do my social media. Me should have never chat to her. But she have all this to come say today. And that's the truth. Yeah. So what you want to say, miss? Me and I go on an argument for you. Yeah. Me say, worship the things that she say about me on social media. I think she start classmate. The things we say about me on social media, me should have never, ever in that life talk back to you. I know the reason why you say me talk back to you because I'm a blood clot. It's my aura. Let me have it on me. Me a Gemini. I can't be like every zodiac sign. Me will forgive. Yo, make bygones, big bygones, and start off fresh. I don't saw me stay. You do me the worst, and I will still forgive you. And start off fresh. Open my new chapter. And the second time I tried that route and it no go. I tried already with one girl and it had the same blood clot position she give me. Mixed up in the worst way. And you know come with the same demeanor. Me and a friend, why you offer me back to school? Me and a friend. You over that tell them say me and a friend, why you offer me back to school? Why you want to question me? Rosalie, you start by back to school already come out. Me and a friend who you like call and question. Rosalie, you start by back to school already, but I'm not tell her that. I say I'm good. I'm a sister with I need something. And you say I say my children, I never call it feet. Never. You have enough up in my business, you want to question me like me a pitney. To come blah blah your mouth on the net. Me not answer none of me and them go and chat. Me not answer none of me and them go and chat. Me not walk and look for you, me them some girl go and chat. The whole of them are lied. I'm not dead to me. The whole of them are lied and not dead to me. The whole of them are lied and not dead to me. On the two fucking lie. I pure lie them tell. The whole of them are pure lie them tell. Me no want to hear for them like that story. Me not class a soul. I saw me come look today is Friday. Remember them now beg. Me have come look. Me have come look kind. Me no depend disability check like liar them. I saw me come look. Me no depend disability check like liar them. A disability check liar them get. Me no depend that. Me have come look it. Me I look two live goal. We have to talk about people. Moderator when them type our friend them feel tight out. Not no one a blood clot say. Not no one come say can't change my blood clot the spirit but Akim. And then I feel like I want the boy fuck out my all my skin out and make him fuck it out. Simple. Someone don't know what the bag of hassle for. If the boy call me now, I feel like say, yeah, today I'll get some pussy, my skin it out brawling and gate. Make the whole I wanna see. Me don't know what the bag of hassle for. Me don't know what the bag of blood clot hassle for. Me fuck him and me fuck anybody who I feel like. Anytime. Someone don't know what the bag of chatting for. What about got chatting for? Now about with the same pussy? Bible. I swear upon Bible. If the boy come now, I feel like I want some fuck and him dump on it. Bible. You know what about got chatting for? Thank you, I'm Rosemary. You don't know what about got chatting for? You don't too lie. And that's the problem. Only zero lie. Me I will argument to now on a lie. To own a lie, when you come with that document and a lie, you know? Talk to own a lie. Me I will argument to do no. To all them lie TikTok, them will come with document and it's just a lie. Cause them want 2, I want 3, I want 5, I want 8 minutes worth of fame. Bible to all them lie, me swear upon Bible. They will come with all proof and it's a lie too. To all them lie. And some know them deadly. So me not look on them. Cause me no want them cocoa bed me. Me no want them cocoa bed me a blood clot. Me not look on them. This me not argue with you, you know. But I tell a lie upon me. You can't go and talk. Cause you lie bad. You lie bad. Me not hold no argument with me. I look 2 live goal to that Friday. I want to talk about something different. Yeah. Now I hold no argument with blood clot. But I hold no argument with them trot. Them is liar. It's like all stinking blood clot, all dirty woman up on the disable blood clot check. Roll out and I watch my pussy and my blood clot mouth. I'm not burning from blood clot or one question me if. One question blood clot me. If I want you want blood clot question me, from my friend is Jakes I fuck the blood clot girl. And she call me like, Rosie don't left your man, come never left my man. Some say, man, fuck pan you and use the money on mine, girl. And you have the audacity to call me a blood clot, tell me, say, me not left Jakes. And Jakes fuck pan me like a dog. So me up on her. Oh, wow. Some of it was there. Him fuck pan me. I've all type of girl laugh off of me. And me don't know, I'm just look like a big little clown in the scheme. Just tell me don't left Jakes. You want to beat Jakes, beat me up on the things. And she tell me don't left Jakes. That's thinking no matter where you see. But look on her different. And me I watch her. Like you think me a mascot? Like you think me a mascot? Me not trust her enough. She can't set me up. She can't blood clot set me up. I just like she come tell no. She can't set me up. Like to me I hear that. Like I'm not trust enough to tell her shit. Me not trust enough to tell her shit. Cause I don't want to stay, I only can click live. And in the back part of my blood clot head. In the back part of my head, the girl in the bitch in the back part of me that tell me say don't tell her nothing, you know, cause them click live and them I bring down. I tell her what you want now. So I don't know where you're coming from or what you're saying. But my bigger please tell a lie upon me. Me not want no story with you about nobody. Me street smart. Me not mascot. Everything you click live. You will want customer 411. You will want blood clot. Question me. I'm not allow you to. Where we are go? Cause I don't even want. Me don't even get iggy. That's what I tell you. Not call me name. Cause pay lie you tell. Cause the fact that you come last week and say you stop watching series cause the series boring, and the fact that you come on Wednesday and I chastise, you start this argument. Hey, want me to see you? Me not see you, you know? I know me not see you. Cause I tell you now already, we are Germany when we are walk with and people walk when everything good. How me walk with you the liar? The last thing I sent me how much $3,000 credit. I'm give you a jet to holiday. Me not look by you.
Yeah. Anyway, people, we're not going long and it's no longer, you know. So don't do the right thing and don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest one. Bless.